Are you tired of spending hours brainstorming topics and crafting the perfect article? What if I told you there's a way to automate your writing process and make money at the same time? Hello viewers, and welcome to our video on how to make money with AI as writer. In this video, we'll explore how to use AI as a writer and turn it into a profitable business venture. So let's dive into the video, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. What is AI? AI stands for Artificial Intelligence, which is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human-level intelligence. AI can be found in various forms, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and even self-driving cars. One of the main components of AI is machine learning, which enables systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. This means that an AI system can continually improve its performance over time by gathering more data and adjusting its algorithms accordingly. Another key feature of AI is natural language processing, NLP, which allows computers to understand and manipulate human language. NLP has revolutionized the way we interact with technology, making it possible to converse with devices as if they were humans. AI has enormous potential to transform industries across the board. From healthcare to finance and beyond, there are countless opportunities for businesses and individuals alike to leverage this powerful technology for their benefit. How to use AI to write articles. Using AI to write articles can seem intimidating at first, but with the right tools and techniques, it can greatly improve your writing process. One of the best ways to get started is by using AI-powered writing assistants that can help you generate ideas, suggest improvements to your writing style, and even rewrite entire sections of text. These tools use natural language processing algorithms to understand context and meaning in order to provide more accurate suggestions. They also have machine learning capabilities, which means they learn from the corrections you make, becoming increasingly accurate over time. Another way to use AI for article writing is by creating templates or outlines based on data analysis. This involves analyzing large sets of data related to a particular topic in order to identify common themes and trends. With this information, you can create an outline for your article that covers all the important points while still maintaining a unique perspective. Additionally, some AI-powered content creation platforms allow users to input specific keywords or topics they want their articles to cover. The platform then generates high-quality content based on those parameters, which can be edited as needed. In short, there are multiple ways in which writers can utilize AI technology for their articles, whether it's through intelligent assistants or advanced data analysis tools. Each method presents its own advantages for boosting productivity and improving quality output. How to get started with AI. Getting started with AI may seem daunting at first, but it's easier than you might think. The first step is to research and choose a reputable AI writing tool that suits your needs. Once you've found an AI tool that appeals to you, take some time to learn how it works. Many tools offer tutorials or guides on their websites. Watch videos and read through the instructions carefully so that you can use the software effectively. Next, start small by using the tool for shorter articles or blog posts. This will help you get used to working with AI technology and give you a chance to hone your skills before tackling longer content pieces. As with any new skill, practice makes perfect. Using an AI writing tool regularly will help improve your speed and accuracy over time. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles of writing as well. This will enable you to find what works best for both yourself and your clients. Don't forget about editing. Even though AI tools are designed to create content quickly, they still make mistakes from time to time. Be sure to proofread every piece of work before submitting it. This will ensure that your clients receive high-quality articles every time. So this was our today's video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.